everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is Abhishek, and we are starting our first motovlog. So hope you guys like it and show your support by liking, subscribing to my channel. So as you can see, we have started at around morning 8:45 or 8:30 something. So we'll see. We are just testing right now and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, the time right now is 8:25 and we are on the Pulsar F250. So hope you guys like. Today we have a beautiful weather and we can see it's a bit cloudy day, no sunshine yet, and you can see like we have a bit traffic as well because we are on the weekend on the Saturday morning. So we'll take a small ride towards our home and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I don't know much about motovlogging, but it was always a dream to start motovlogging in YouTube, and here I am with all my dreams. I recently got purchased the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition, and I also went for a bike modification in the nearby modification store, that is Moto Drift, and the guys were absolutely fantastic and they did a wonderful job. Means the accessories which were not possible for my bike, they got it arranged and they made it, and it was like a full day. I had to wait there and I got the required modifications done. Like for example, I got the top box frame setup, including the pannier setup, the crash guard and handlebar lever guards, and I also got two fog lamps installed, HJG, that is 70 watts into 2, that is equal to 140 watts, that is installed so that we can ride in the night time as well. So we'll see how it goes. But let me tell you, I really need all of your support in growing my channel because I am starting new. I may make a lot of mistakes, so you guys really need to support me, really. If you find little bit also vlog a good kind of quality, you can please like, share, and also you can comment down if you have certain suggestions for me where I can do improvement in this area. Okay, so yeah, that's how it is. So I'm trying to learn. It might take a couple of weeks to get familiar to this. Okay, so today we have a very auspicious day. Today we are celebrating the Chaturthi of our Lord Ganesha. This area we have is called the DLF Society. And it's really wonderful and a beautiful society. We are on the Pulsar F250. I got this bike, to buy this bike for almost a year or so. It was a huge waiting period because I wanted to go for the dual channel ABS version, but unfortunately I couldn't get that one. But it's fine, whatever I got, it is the single channel ABS version and it's pretty much good. I have covered almost 14,000 kilometers on this and I have done a couple of rides on that. I have done plenty of rides actually, but unfortunately that time I didn't had this GoPro setup. We'll list down about the places we covered, but we'll try to repeat those trips in order to have this vlog set up for you guys so that you can definitely go and watch and see how it goes. Okay, so we'll catch up once again. Thank you. This is Abhishek Guru signing off. See you once again. Bye bye. Take care. Ride safe.